This is Free Talk Business 3, Lesson 10 Review. How to use authentic marketing. Takaba, have you finished looking into how Newman's Own became so popular? Yeah, it's a great example of smart, authentic marketing. Yes, Paul Newman was passionate about making high-quality food and giving profits to charity. Right. And the products used natural ingredients, which stood out in a market full of over-processed options. That's what I liked too. It wasn't flashy, it was simple and honest. Even their advertising felt different, more personal, less corporate. Yeah, it didn't feel like they were trying to trick anyone, just share something good. I think that's a lesson for our own brand. Be real, focus on quality, and show what we care about. Agreed. Passion and trust go a long way in building something people truly support. Let's make that part of our strategy from now on. Okay, good job.